Hi, welcome. Welcome all of you for this 88888 portal. Now, many of us don't know what is 88 portal. So, before we begin, let me just explain what is 88 portal, right? So, today is 8th August. The month is 8 and the date is 8. And what is the significance of 88? So, if we see in 8, we have two circles. Like, how do we do? How do we write 8? 8, we write 8 with two circles, right? So what does this two circle means? Now, if this is vertical, if this two circle, if we make it horizontal, what is the sign of that 8? It's an infinity sign, isn't it? It's an infinity sign. And if we make it vertical means there are two circles. So what is this two circle means? Now in our body, we all have energy centers. There's a, in our mythology, we call it as chakra, isn't it? So we are aware that the bottom chakra are the root chakra, which has root chakra, navel chakra, solar plexus, right? If are you aware of it? Like between near our anus, between number one and number two, where we do the between center, the between center is the tailbone. Below the tailbone is root chakra. Near our navel, there is a navel chakra. And then just below our lungs, there is between two lungs, there is solar plexus. And then we have heart chakra. Then we have throat chakra. Then we have third eye. And then we have crown chakra, right? So now what this number 8 means that? Number 8 means for the first three below chakra. So below chakra is root, navel, and solar plexus. What does it do? It is all connected to the material world. So where in root chakra we get all the desires for money and sex and all the becoming multiple and luxurious life and all of it. Nothing wrong about it. So there we get this. At the same time, in the root chakra, we have a lot of insecurities stored there. So that is root chakra. And after root chakra, the chakra of creation, where there is mother's womb and the fetus is connected from the one level to another level, right? So through umbilical cord. So that is a navel chakra. Navel chakra is for creation, but there also we have stored a lot of emotions. At the same time, solar plexus. Solar plexus is a seat for courage, for confidence, for boldness, for taking brave decisions. But many a times we have so much fears and we are unable to whatever we plan. So we plan, what happens is we plan from this top three chakra. The crown chakra is always connected with our higher self. Third eye chakra, which gets ideas and possibilities and opportunities and intuitions, all that sixth sense, if we call it. So third eye chakra is for that. Throat chakra is for expression, because through our expression we are connecting with the world. So throat chakra is for expression. Heart chakra is for connection, right? So we connect with the world with this heart chakra. So the upper four chakra we are using for creation, for planning, all the things. First, we all know that anything we want to make, like समझो कि मुझे आज ये समझो ये प्रोग्राम ही करना था 88 पोर्टल का मेडिटेशन. Before I came, this is right now I am in front of you with 3D reality. But before that, what was there? It was in my mind. Then in my mind, I was thinking that, okay, let's do it. What time, what to share, what to do in that meditation, what to do, right? So everything was coming from head. And literally, I was visualizing this whole, meditation in my mind. So before it comes into physical reality, it is always there before it is already done. It is created, it is made, it is already done, it's already done, right? So that happens with this upper four chakras. And with lower chakras, we execute, we take action. Because if I will keep thinking and I will not take any action, then we will not be sitting here, isn't it? So from lower three chakras, we are doing execution. So we gather courage, okay, what action to take, whom to approach, and all of it, right? So these three lower chakras are for execution. The top chakras are for ideas and creation, first happening in the 4D and 5D world, and then happening in the 3D world with the lower three chakra. So when we are writing number 8, the number 8, the lower circle is representing lower three chakras, and the upper number 8 is representing the upper four chakras. Right? Up till now, clear? Right? Now, thank you for nodding your head, Deepali. It gives me validation that okay, people are listening, because when I see Sheetal, everything after a long, long time I'm seeing Sheetal and everything is dark. मुझे लग रहा है अभी भी मैं रात को सुबह मैं 4 बजे उठ के मैं ले रही हूँ सेशन, ऐसा लग रहा है मुझे. Okay, so just joking, but so when this is number 8, when it is number 8, so upper chakras are for we think and we plan and all of that, and then we execution. Number 8 is talking about balance. So in material world, in our 3D world, we are executing and then we are going up. So we begin with the up, right? Then we go down and then we go down and pick them bottom, and then we again go up. And then again we go down and again we go up. So these three chakras are keeping us in the material world. The upper chakras are taking us for our spiritual growth, for higher energy, where we can create things in our 4D and 5D. So that's the balance between the spiritual world and balance between material world. That is what number 8 stands for. That is what number 8 stands for, that you don't have to just do hard work. There are two type of people. One type of people, they just keep working hard, chasing goals, and doing so much of sweating, right, and running in the rat race. There are one type of people who are just dreamers and keep dreaming, and no actions. So here is the balance where we are executing also. At the same time, we are taking our energies, absorbing energies from our higher chakra, and especially from our higher self. It is said that from our crown chakra, we are connected to our higher self. And higher self, what does it mean, higher self? Higher self is already there, and they're already living in that. It's also called as vortex. If you listen to Abraham Hicks, in law of attraction, it's also called vortex, where all your desires are already there. If I want to be Karodpati, I'm already Karodpati in my vortex. If I want to be a health fitness and I want complete 100% health, it's already there in my vortex with my higher self. If I want to be a famous writer, poet, politician, everything, whatever I want, it's already there in my vortex. That self is already existing. Whatever you are desiring. See, first of all, कई बार लोगों को लगता है कि डिजायर होनी चाहिए, नहीं होनी चाहिए, डिजायर होना गलत है, फिर बहुत सारी गिल्टी फील होती है. But I will tell you one thing. When we are all sitting here, there is a desire. We are living, even if we are going for school. Why we are going for school? There is a desire to educate ourselves. We are going for further college, PhD education. Why we are going? Because we want to upgrade and we have a desire to grow in our life. Then we go into a professional life. Then we go over in marriage life, right? So even in simple terms, if I will tell you, just close your nose. All of you close your nose. And keep it closed. And keep it closed. And keep it closed. अरे खोला क्यों? Even taking the next breath is a desire, because we want to live life. If we are here as a human birth, जैसे बोलते हैं ना हिंदू मैथोलॉजी में, इतने जन्मों का हम फेरी करके हम ये लाइफ में आए हैं, then why not making the best of this life? Why not making the best of this life in every way? See, we are not telling you to go to Himalayas and be sadhu. अगर हमारी वो फितरत होती तो हम अपने आप चले जाते, हम किसी को बोलने की भी जरूरत नहीं पड़ती. But we are not in that realm. We are not in that energies right now. We are in the energies where we want to create, we want to celebrate life. At the same time, we want to grow spiritually. And there is nothing wrong in it. So, first of all, if you are right now, this is a 8-8 portal, is for manifestation. Manifest, you can manifest everything you want in this realm on this day. The portal is open. Now, why Lion portal? Lion, because the zodiac sign is Leo right now, which is going on from 22nd or 23rd July to 22nd August. This 1 month is the Leo month. Lion is what? Lion is a symbol of power, right? Like king of the forest, right? So they are there. So that's why the energies are so powerful. That's why the energies are is like a king or a queen's energy. At the same time, 8-8 portal is giving that infinity shape, that means that infinite growth, infinite possibilities, infinite opportunities, infinite abundance, everything in infinite. So you receive in that infinite. Are we open? Are we open? And why we are, when I'm saying that are we open, what does that mean? उसका मतलब है कि बिकॉज फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, जैसे मैंने कहा कि डिजायर है ना, गिल्टी नहीं है, बट मेनी ऑफ द टाइम्स वी फील गिल्टी। मेरे पास इतना कुछ है, मैं क्यों इसके पीछे भाग रही हूँ? मेरे पास इतना कुछ है, मैं क्यों इसके पीछे भाग रही हूँ? क्यों होना चाहिए? जिसमें है उसमें संतोष होना चाहिए, राइट? होना चाहिए। दैट इज कंप्लीटली 100% राइट कि हमें जब हमारे पास जो भी है वो हमें उसके लिए उससे समाधान होना चाहिए, सुकून होना चाहिए और ग्रेटिट्यूड भी होना चाहिए। एंड दैट इज मस्ट ग्रेटिट्यूड इज मस्ट बिकॉज वी आर वैल्यूइंग व्हाट वी आर हैविंग। बट एट द सेम टाइम, if we don't grow, we die. If we don't grow, we die, because what is it? What does it mean? If we don't have any purpose in life, we are just living a robotic life, and we are just wasting our life. So we need to have certain goals in our life. We need to have certain goals, and that goals will keep us motivating, and we will keep rushing towards that goal and keep working towards that goal. Now people will say that, okay, we will have spiritual goals. Beautiful. You must have it, and we all have to have it. But at the same time, if there is no balance, then it is of no use. So we need to have a balance between spiritual world, material world, spiritual world, material world. Tell me one institute in this whole world which is running without money, which is running without any goals. Even spiritual institutes have goals for expansion, isn't it? They want to expand. They want to open universities. They want to open orphanage. They want to open vruddhashram. They want to open hospitals. Even they have goals. And for those goals, they create money, they create team, they create devotees, isn't it? Do imagine if the spiritual institutes also don't have any goal. The goals are the one which are keeping us thriving. So there is nothing wrong in having desires. There is nothing wrong in having goals. So the first blockage in our manifestation is having guilty, that why am I running and rushing? Have goals. And that will keep you motivating and inspiring, and you will run towards your goal. But the topmost thing is, have goals, but don't get attached to the results. Like जैसे गीता में कहा है कि कर्म करो और फल की चिंता मत करो. The same way, the problem is we are having desires, we are having goals, we are having purpose, everything, and we are chasing also, but we are very much hooked to the results. My worth depends on my results. If I am achieving my goals, then I'm successful, then I'm worthy, then मैं बड़े समाज में मेरा मुंह दिखाने के लायक हूँ. And if I'm not achieving my goals, then I'm a loser and I'm a failure, and I go in my shell. So because we are hooked to our results, and that's where we label ourselves and we make ourselves feel confident, or we make ourselves feel small. Here we are not to get hooked with the results, but at the same time, we are here to enjoy the journey. Now imagine all of you have joined here with something, है ना, आपको अंदर कोई तो खींच के लाया ना वो पोस्टर 8x8 पोर्टल। क्यों आप आराम से शनिवार है, अच्छा वीकेंड है, सो सकते थे, आप लोग क्यों उठे और आए इधर क्लास में? There is something inside you has pulled you here. Then now I want to sit in this class and I want to experience what is it, right? So the same way, keep having that motivation, keep having that inspiration, and walk towards your goal, but enjoy the journey. When you are here, you are listening here, you are enjoying the journey. When we will be doing certain meditation and certain practices, you are going to enjoy the journey. So write down the goals, but then keep that goals aside. Bless the goal every day, but at the same time, enjoy your journey. Enjoying our journey is topmost priority, right? The rewards is in the enjoying the journey, not in the results. Your success lies in the enjoying the journey, not in the results. So let's enjoy our journey. Let's enjoy journey and let the universe decide, let the divinity decide and give us the results. You will get what you are. You will get what you are. We believe that I will get what I want, but here we are shifting it that I will get what I am. What does that mean? It means that what is my energies? मेरे अंदर की energies क्या है? Am I feeling lack? Am I feeling, very frustrated and angry from inside? What is the kind of energies I'm holding? At the end of the day, we are all energetic beings. And this whole universe is also made full of energies. And we are vibrating at certain energies. There is some frequencies, right? Like in earlier age, Rishi Muniya के पास क्या होता था? The moment they think and they manifest, they will just say कि बारिश आनी चाहिए, बारिश आ जाएगी. They will just say I want ब्रह्मास्त्र और उनके हाथ में ब्रह्मास्त्र आ जाता था. What does that mean? Their power of intention was so high that they could manifest in seconds, not even minutes, not even hours, and not even days and years. So why it was that? It was that because their energies, their frequencies were so high that they could get what they wanted in seconds. And how that happened? It happened because of the energies they have created inside them. We are all energetic beings, and whatever energies we are creating inside us is manifesting in our life and in our reality. Right? So all those munis was just thinking their frequency matched with their desire, and immediately they got it. And that's how in the vortex everything is for us. It's waiting for us. It's waiting for you. Your dreams are waiting for you because the end result is already there. Are you open? Are you open to receive it? So here today we are opening ourselves. We are opening ourselves to receive. And whatever is not allowing us to receive, we are going to release. Are you getting it? So, first of all, let's be clear that what is it that we want, right? So, I will now invite you, giving you a brief almost for half an hour. Now, I will invite you to write down one goal, and write it down in a book, right? And write it down in a present tense that this is not I will be earning 5 lakhs per month. I am earning 5 lakhs per month if that is your goal. Or I am receiving the highest health if that is your goal, write it down in this way, present tense, that I am experiencing the optimum health and fitness and whatever it is, right? Not I am healed from my back pain, not that way. Yeah, my back is very strong, I'm very fit, and I'm climbing on mountains, I'm going for trekking. This is what we are going to write, the end result, and the goal in the present tense, that yes, I am, and you write down whatever you want with the end result. That if you want to earn 1 lakh rupees per month, if that is the goal, so write down, I am earning 1 lakh rupees per month. And then what are you doing with that money? I am earning, and I am, maybe whatever you want to go, give the best of life to yourself, to your family. You want to go for some vacations, you want to expand your business, and you want to keep earning and keep investing in your money. Whatever is your goal, whatever you want to do with that money, just write it down in 1 or 2 lines in the present tense. And Swarna, you have raised your hand. Do you have any question? Yeah, Swarna.
Yes, yeah, good morning. So,
Good
can we write for our family members?
No, only
No?
for yourself. See,
Okay,
right now you are sitting in this class.
okay,
You are going to align your energies with your goals.
okay,
So it's only you. If they want it, they have to align their energies in their goal.
okay.
In
For my
that
daughter,
field,
I wanted
energy
to.
field.
Okay, okay, fine, thank you.
Yeah? Okay, yeah. So write a goal. Thank you for this question. And write goal only for yourself. Thank you. I forgot to mention that. Thank you, Swarna. So let me just put some music, and I will invite all of you to write down the goal. Are you able to hear the music, listen to music? Yes? No, you are unable to listen to music? No music? Okay. Okay, let me just share once more. Thank you. Okay, so are you done? Are you done with the... Now, when you were writing this, writing your goal, what was going on in your mind? For many of us, it is doubt. How will it happen? इतने समय से स्ट्रगल कर रही हूँ, इतनी मेहनत कर रही हूँ, इतनी चप्पल घिस रही हूँ, कैसे होगा? दिस इज द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन कम. मैं लिख तो रही हूँ क्योंकि श्रेया ने बोल दिया तो लिख दो, क्योंकि 88 पोर्टल है तो लिख दो. लेकिन इतनी मेहनत, मुझे पता है कि मेरी लाइफ में क्या चल रहा है, वो मुझे पता है. मेरी स्ट्रगल क्या है वो मुझे पता है. मैं कितना पसीना बहा रही हूँ मुझे पता है. एंड दिस इज द क्वेश्चन कम्स for most of us. And that is, what is that? That is doubt. Doubting your own self and doubting the universal power, isn't it? Right? So, most of the time, we are experiencing behind our goals, we are having the big desire. And the desire is of what? Prosperity. The desire is of expansion. The desire is of growth, right? But at the same time, what is the energy we are sending to the universe? The energy we are sending into the universe is of doubt, is of fear, is of frustration, isn't it? Now, the energies of prosperity, which is very high, at a high frequency, tell me that सचमुच का आपकी डिजायर कंप्लीट हो गई और मैनिफेस्ट हो गई, हाउ विल यू फील एट दैट टाइम? मुझे शादी करनी है और मुझे दूल्हा मिल गया, हाउ विल यू फील एट दैट टाइम? मुझे करोड़पति बनना है और मेरे बैंक बैलेंस में, मुझे बैंक स्टेटमेंट में दिखाई दे रहा है कि वाओ, I want this many lakhs, this many lakhs, this many lakhs. How will you feel at that time? Tell me that. Will you feel frustrated? Will you feel doubtful? Will you feel angry? Will you feel fearful? Will that be the energy? What will be the energy at that time? You'll be dancing, isn't it? You will be in joy. You will be celebrating, isn't it? Right? You will be in the seventh heaven, isn't it? Yeah, and that is what the energy is of prosperity. That when your goal is manifested, you are feeling that is a fulfillment, sense of fulfillment, isn't it? And that sense of fulfillment is here. That sense of fulfillment is giving you everything, the love, the peace, the joy, right? The happiness, what you were expecting, the energy that is there. And right now, we are vibrating at this energy with the lower chakras, with fears, with doubts, with hesitation, with irritation with ourselves. अपने आप पे इतना गुस्सा आता है, मेरे नसीब फूटे हुए हैं, मेरी कुंडली ऐसी है, मेरे पिछले जन्म के कर्म ही ऐसे हैं, मेरी तो मेरे भगवान सुनते ही नहीं है, पता नहीं भगवान है कि नहीं है. All these thoughts are, we are vibrating with these thoughts and we want to manifest something at this level. Is the energy matching? Not matching, isn't it? It's like मुझे रेडियो पे FM2 सुनना है और FM2 की फ्रीक्वेंसी पे ही मुझे सेट होना पड़ेगा कि मैं कोई भी लगाऊं. आपको टीवी पे आज क्रिकेट मैच है, फाइनल मैच है और क्रिकेट देखनी है, तो आपको कौन सी चैनल लगानी पड़ेगी? क्रिकेट वाली या फुटबॉल वाली या न्यूज वाली के लोग प्रोटेस्ट कर रहे हैं, रोड पे आए हुए हैं? कौन सी चैनल लगाएंगे आप? You have to, if you want to watch cricket and enjoy and celebrate, then you have to put that channel, isn't it? So we have to match our frequency. And to match our frequency, first of all, we have to release this. Release the doubts, the fears, the tension, the irritation, the self-hatred, everything. Everything, isn't it? So now I will invite all of you that please write down. Please write down. Be honest with yourself. देखो आपका लिस्ट आप ही जानते हो और किसी और को बताने की भी जरूरत नहीं है. But be honest with yourself that what are your fears? What are your doubts? What are your hesitation inside which you are holding on? Because if you are going to hold on these energies and at the same time मैं meditation करवाऊंगी और आप meditation कर लोगे लेकिन ये energies में फर्क नहीं आया तो we are not moving even an inch towards our goal. It is all superficial. And that's why people are doing japa, people are doing tapa, people are doing fasting, people are doing meditation, people are doing all japas, they do go for pilgrimage. Everything they are doing affirmation, they are doing visualization, everything they are doing. And there is nothing wrong in those doing those things. But what they are ignoring, they're ignoring that what energies I'm carrying at the end of the day. And I am feeling powerless, where I don't have power. आई एम हेल्पलेस. अगर ऊपर से कोई भगवान आके मुझे हेल्प करेंगे तो ही मेरी हेल्प होगी और वो भगवान आता ही नहीं क्योंकि वो भगवान सुनता ही नहीं है आपकी क्योंकि वहां तक आवाज पहुंचती ही नहीं है बिकॉज वी थिंक दैट हमारी जो लैंग्वेज से हम बात कर रहे हैं वो वहां पहुंच रही है बट नो योर थॉट्स आर हैविंग सर्टेन फ्रीक्वेंसीज and the universe listens to your energy frequencies and not your Hindi, Marathi, Gujarati, English. So what frequencies are you sending through your thoughts constantly? Now imagine that throughout the day, if I will be sending you, आज सुबह में 11 बजे आप सबके लिए एक मैनेजर आ जाएगा. And what that manager will do? For 24 hours, that manager is going to write down all your thoughts, what you are going to have. That manager can scan your brain and write down all the thoughts what you are having. What do you think? Tomorrow, 11 o'clock, क्या रिजल्ट होगा उसका? कितने पॉजिटिव थॉट्स रहेंगे, कितने वाइब्रेटिंग एनर्जीज रहेगी, कितने लव एंड ब्लेसिंग वाली एनर्जीज रहेगी, कितनी ग्रेटिट्यूड वाली एनर्जीज रहेगी और कितना परसेंटेज पूरा सारा बकवास रहेगा? What do you think? How many of you are ready? कितने लोगों के घर पे भेजूं मैं आज 11 बजे एक मैनेजर को? दरवाजा खोलना जरूर. Anjali is saying yes. Yes. Really sending. Yeah, Bharti is saying yes. And Raghavinder ji saying yes. And I love that spirit. Swarna, yes. Suman said yes. And I love that spirit. Thank you. Thank you so much. हमें इतनी तैयारी होनी चाहिए, हमारे अंदर ये जुनून होना चाहिए कि मुझे अपने आप पे, मुझे अपने अपने विचारों पे, मेरे कौन से विचार चल रहे हैं जो हम दिन में 60 to 80,000 थॉट्स सोच रहे हैं, उसकी कौन सी एनर्जीज में भेज रही हूँ, उसकी मुझे पूरी पूरी अवेयरनेस है. And I'm ready to change the frequencies. And I'm ready to grow and expand that my energies are growing day by day towards my goal, towards love, towards joy and happiness. So now let us be honest. Even मुझे भी fears है. I'm not joking. मैं यहाँ पे आपके सामने बोल रही हूँ उसका मतलब ये नहीं मैं ऊपर कहीं पहुंच गई हूँ. नहीं, मुझे भी बहुत सारे fears आते हैं, मुझे भी बहुत सारे doubts आते हैं. और आप कितने भी बड़े आदमी का इंटरव्यू सुन लो, वो सब लोग वही बोलेंगे कि ऐसा है ही नहीं कि हमें थॉट्स में नेगेटिव थिंक नहीं कर रहे, ऐसा है ही नहीं कि हमें डाउट्स और फियर्स नहीं आ रहे. बट ओनली डिफरेंस between us and between them, the only difference is they are aware and they immediately clean those thoughts and release those energies. Immediately they do the cleaning. आपके घर में चूहा आया होगा तो आप उसको रोज खाना दोगे क्या? आ और मेरे साथ बैठ के खाना खा. आपके घर में कॉकरोचेस हुए हुए होंगे किचन में तो आप बोलोगे कि और मैं जरा गंदा रखता हूँ किचन, और आओ और बढ़ो, आपकी प्रजा बढ़ाओ. हम नहीं करते, राइट? इमीडिएटली व्हाट वी डू, किचन को क्लीन करना चालू करो, कहाँ गंदा हो रहा है, क्लीन करना चालू करो। चूहा है तो उसका रेड ट्रैप लगा दो, राइट? हम उसको रोज खाना देके पाल पोस के बड़ा नहीं करते हैं कि तुम अपनी प्रजा बढ़ाओ यहाँ पे मेरे घर में। तो ये अपने माइंड स्पेस को क्यों हमने इजीली अवेलेबल रखा है कि कोई भी आके उस पे पड़ाव डाल दे और अपना तंबू लगा के वहां पे महीने महीने सालों साल रह सके। Let's keep cleaning our mind space. First of all, many a times we are not aware that I'm going into negative thoughts lane, और घंटे घंटे हम उसी में रहते हैं, पता भी नहीं चलता। सेकेंडली, पता चलता है तो भी कुछ नहीं कर सकते क्योंकि आता ही नहीं है किस तरह से इसमें से बाहर निकाले। देन वी गो फॉर पीपल नाउअडेज वी हैव सोशल मीडिया। वैसे 8:11 हो गया है, मैं चलेगा ना, मैं बोलूंगी तो, क्योंकि 8:30 को मैंने बोला था मैं सेशन खत्म करूंगी, बट आई डोंट थिंक मैं 8:30 को सेशन खत्म कर पाऊंगी। बट दिस अवेयरनेस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, दैट्स व्हाई आई एम टॉकिंग। सो कैन यू गिव मी परमिशन फॉर एक्सटेंशन of the session? Are you all enjoying what you are saying? Are you all connecting with what you are saying? Right? But I thought that meditation में सिर्फ करवाऊं उससे मतलब नहीं है, ये अवेयरनेस होनी जरूरी है, इसलिए मैं बता रही हूँ। So thank you first of all for giving me that permission for extension. Okay. And where I was just telling that हमें कई बार अवेयरनेस होती ही नहीं है, घंटे घंटे हम उसी नेगेटिविटी में डूबे हुए रहते हैं, और उसके बाद अगर पता भी चलता है, then what do we do? We don't want to be in that fear, in that tension and all of that. What do we do? Many times I have observed myself. I do three things. Either I will go for sugar, I will eat some sweet or chocolate or milkshake and all, or I will eat कुछ फ्रायम्स खा लो, ये लो खा लो, जंक फूड, और आई विल गो फॉर हमारा सबसे प्यारा दोस्त कौन है, हमारा लाइफ पार्टनर। पति भी नहीं चाहिए, पत्नी भी नहीं चाहिए, हमारा लाइफ पार्टनर है। कहाँ गया मेरा मेरा वाला, इधर। सो आई गो फॉर दैट स्क्रीन टाइम। यूट्यूब बहुत बड़ा प्यारा दोस्त है, इंस्टा, एफबी, वी ऑल नो। एंड देन 5 मिनट की 50 मिनट कहाँ हो जाती पता नहीं चलती। बट व्हाट एम आई डूइंग, आई वांट टू अवॉइड दैट वेव ऑफ नेगेटिविटी। एंड वो नेगेटिविटी का वेव मुझ में कैसे अवॉइड करूं, क्योंकि जो है ना, एक्चुअली वी ऑल आर एक्सपीरियंसिंग दिस इमोशंस इन अवर बॉडी। What is emotion? Energy in motion. And what happens when the mind is filled with this? It creates the hormones. We all know stress hormones. सबसे पहले डॉक्टर के पास जाओगे तो सबसे पहला क्वेश्चन, कोई भी सवाल होने दो, नींद नहीं आती, बाल झड़ रहे, वेट बढ़ रहा है, ये वो, पेट में दुख रहा है, कुछ भी होने दो, डॉक्टर सबसे पहला क्वेश्चन पूछता है, आर यू इन स्ट्रेस? आर यू इन स्ट्रेस? सो वेयर इज दैट स्ट्रेस कमिंग फ्रॉम? That stress is coming from all these thoughts. Now, when we are having these thoughts for hours together, our body is a chemical factory and it creates 120 chemicals. With each thought, you are creating some chemicals in your body. So, this body, when it is continuously going, it is creating stress hormones, cortisols. We all know, right? And when the cortisol is coming up so high, body can't take it. More than that, more than certain dose, isn't it? Now body wants some rescue. So first of all, body what does second hormone है, adrenaline. वो एड्रेनालाइन छोड़ता है जिसकी वजह से हम भागते, एक्शन करते, इधर भागो उधर भागो, इधर भागो उधर भागो, कंटिन्यूअसली मोबाइल पे देखो, स्क्रीन टाइम देखो, all of it. So it is adrenaline which is making us do activity, action. At the end of the day, body is so tired with these two stress hormones, then body wants some relaxation. And then body said, enough of this. What does the body do? The first thing body wants to do is numbing oneself, that I don't want to experience these emotions anymore. जब आप सबको पता है कि हम हमारा ऑपरेशन होने वाला है या कोई भी सर्जरी होने वाली है, हम क्या रखते हैं? डॉक्टर सबसे पहले क्या करता है? डॉक्टर मेन जो सर्जन है उससे पहले किसकी जरूरत है? एनेस्थेशियन की, राइट? पहले एनेस्थेशियन आता है, कोई एनेस्थेशिया हमें डालता है, उसके बाद डॉक्टर आता है और सर्जरी शुरू करता है। तो इसी तरह से क्यों? क्योंकि हमारी बॉडी को नम किया जाता है। नम करते हैं तो बॉडी पेन अनुभव नहीं करती है। और जो पेन तो हो ही रहा है, लेकिन पेन की जो सेंसेशन है वो ब्रेन तक नहीं पहुंच रही है, वहां पे वायर तोड़ दिया जाता है। और ताकि हमें वो कुछ समय तक यहाँ पे वो ब्रेन की जो सेंसेशन है वो वहां तक नहीं पहुंच रही है, एंड दैट्स व्हाई वी डोंट फील पेन। And this is what exactly this binge eating, social media, और थर्ड तेरा मेरा मेरा ऑप्शन था सो जाने का। बहुत नींद आ रही है, मेरा माइंड इतना थक गया है कि मुझे सो जाना है, मुझे कुछ सोचना नहीं है, कुछ सोचना नहीं है, एंड सो जाने का। हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू आर ऑल्सो resonating with this? And what is your rescue formula when you are experiencing this? Your rescue formula is either food, right? Or either mobile or sleep. Some people go for alcohol, drugs, वो और आगे की बात हो जाती है कि जहां पे आप अपने अपने को कंप्लीटली नम करते हो। पता है और कई लोग क्या करते हैं? दे गो फॉर गॉसिपिंग, दे क्रिटिसाइज एंड दे गो गॉसिप, right? So there are many things. I will not go in that lane, but I'm just giving you the suggestion that this is what happens when our body numb ourselves. कि हम बॉडी अपने आप को नम करने के लिए ये सारे साधन यूज करती है, and this is called as cheap dopamine. And we use this cheap dopamine. Yes, sound familiar. So cheap dopamine ये इसी सारी तरह से आ रहा है जो हमें, the more you scroll on your mobile, the more you crave. द मोर यू स्क्रोल द मोर यू क्रेव। ये डोपामाइन जो है, चीप डोपामाइन है, उसका ये है गुण है। सो नाउ वी आर सो मच यूज टू विद दिस दैट हमने हमारा पेन जो था, सारे इमोशंस का, वो पेन को नम करके ये सॉल्यूशन यूज किया, एंड वी आर नॉट मूविंग टुवर्ड्स अवर गोल, बट वी वांट टू मैनिफेस्ट समथिंग। हाँ, तो दिन में आप भागे उस गोल के पीछे, और उसके बाद क्या? आफ्टर फ्यू आवर्स you diffuse yourself. Is it helping? It's not helping us to take us to that frequency of what? Love, joy, right? Fulfillment. It's not giving you that frequency. We gather knowledge from YouTube, ये करना चाहिए, ये करना चाहिए, but application में नहीं आता। Why? How many of us are addicted to procrastination, delay? नहीं हो रहा है, एक्शन लेने को ही नहीं हो रहा है। कई लोग आके आते हैं अभी आजकल, लोग मुझे और एक नई रिक्वेस्ट मिलने लगी है बार बार, प्लीज आप अपने सेशन 3-4 घंटे के मत लो, हमारा अटेंशन स्पैन है ही नहीं उतना। मैं आई यूज टू टेक सेशन फ्रॉम मॉर्निंग 9 टू इवनिंग 9, 12 आवर्स सेशन में लेती हूँ। बट पीपल नाउ टेल मी दैट प्लीज आप 1-2 घंटे से ज्यादा मत लो, हमारा तो एसेंशन ही नहीं रहता। व्हाई दिस इज हैपनिंग? वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट अवर सेल्फ मैन। हम हमारी जिंदगी क्यों लाए हैं इधर? क्यों जन्म लिया है आप लोगों ने? सोशल मीडिया पे रहने के लिए? हमने जन्म लिया है कि ग्रोथ, हमारा स्पिरिचुअल ग्रोथ हो, राइट? उसी पर्पस से हम आए हैं, जन्म लिया है। लेकिन क्या कर रहे हैं हम? वी आर जस्ट वेस्टिंग अवर लाइफ। You have so much potential, so much energy in you, that you can change the vibrations of this universe and you can contribute in a big way. And you can be that powerhouse. You can be that change maker. You have that much energy. But what are we doing with those energies? We are just wasting. Non-stop waste. Are you getting me? What I'm telling you? When are you going to be serious in your life? सपने देखना अलग बात है और सपनों की एनर्जीज को मैच करना अलग बात है. कहाँ है वो तुम्हारी एनर्जीज जहां पे आपके अंदर वो जुनून हो कि मेरा एक भी थॉट ऐसा नहीं जाए, मैं वॉचमैन बन जाऊं मेरे थॉट्स के, और एक भी थॉट वो तरफ ना जाए, और जाए तो मैं उसको क्लीन करूं इमीडिएटली. कहाँ है वो एनर्जी? मुझे याद है, एक लेडी थी मेरे पास, 60 मे बी 60+ ईयर की लेडी थी, सिंधी लेडी. एंड शी टोल्ड मी दैट, श्रेया, मैं रोज जाती थी गुरुद्वारा, कितने साल गई, सुबह में 5 से 6 गुरुद्वारा में मैंने सेवा दी, क्योंकि शी वॉज हैविंग अ लॉट ऑफ chaos in her life with her relationships. She was having a huge chaos, very uncomfortable. And she thought that, let me just be with my guru, let me just be with the seva and all, and, that will help me. तो थोड़े समय के लिए शांति मिलती थी, वापस में वही जोन में जाती थी, वापस में वही जोन में जाती थी. And then somehow she came in connection with my classes. And then she joined my workshops, workshop after workshop after workshops, my courses. And then she said, because I was not knowing her earlier story, then she said that, this part was missing in my life. I was doing everything, but this part was missing in my life. Now, this husband who wanted to give me divorce at the age of 65 and who was troubling me every day, beating. Can you understand? कोई 65 साल का आदमी कोई अपनी वाइफ को मार रहा हो रोज, and that wife is every day getting bitten by husband at that age. And she said that I was doing everything. After doing this courses, daily cleaning, the whole story changed. The husband became calmer, peaceful, supportive, and respecting her. Did we work with the husband? No. I don't even know her husband. What we worked with her energies. You have to just work with your energy and align with the energy what you want to experience. That's it. That's such a simple formula. But we are doing everything else. See, I'm not saying that there's anything bad to going to Guru or doing Seva in Gurudwara. Please do it. It's a beautiful thing. We are actually utilizing our time in a better way. But many a times we don't know कि अंदर क्या चल रहा है. मैंने 1 घंटा सेवा तो कर ली, लेकिन 22-23 घंटा क्या चल रहा है मेरे भीतर, वो मुझे पता ही नहीं है. और कौन सा वापस कचरा पेटी अंदर बना दिया दिन भर का कचरा इकट्ठा करके. So here, why am I telling all of you? Again, coming back to your own dreams. आप कौन सी कचरा पेटी इकट्ठा कर रहे हो? एक बाजू सपना देख रहे हो, गोल सपने करने की, एक बाजू पूरा कचरा भर रहे हो. हाउ आर यू गोइंग टू बैलेंस योर स्पिरिचुअल वर्ल्ड एंड मटेरियल वर्ल्ड? टेल मी दैट. This is a journey of balance between spiritual world and material world. The moment you balance it, you get infinite results. So now I have given you the context why we are writing this. So please write down, be honest, and write down what kind of garbage I am having for myself. Do I believe that I can achieve it? Do I believe that I am worthy of success? Do I believe that I maybe lose my success? And मेरे पास सक्सेस तो आएगी, लेकिन जिंदगी में मैंने इतना खोया है कि ये भी खो दूंगी. क्या ये मेरे पास टिकी रहेगी कि चली जाएगी हाथ से फिसल के? क्या नॉइज है आपके अंदर? प्लीज राइट इट डाउन एंड आई पुट सम म्यूजिक एंड प्लीज राइट इट डाउन. इट्स ऑलरेडी 8:24. It's all your energy. Actually, I've not planned all of this so much in detail, but it's all your energy which is coming up and making me to speak all this. Let us stop. Take a pause here. You know, I want to drink water right now. And I poured the water in this glass. And then I saw that many dust particles moving inside. Tiny ones, but I can see. I was just observing that. Will I be drinking this water? Right? Same way, if you all have all this, if you have all of this, do you think the universe is going to listen to you and manifest? Right? Yeah. If there is war, thank you, Charmaine, for asking this question, that if there is war or if there is recession, what do we do? I have friends that during COVID times, they have earned crores. They have built their business and reputation. It's all about your energy. It's all about your energy. No environment can disturb your energies. Your energy is your energy. You are the gatekeeper of your energy. हम बैंक में पैसा रखते हैं, सोना रखते हैं, हमारे जमीन के ये सारे दस्तावेज रखते हैं, राइट? आप सबको चाबी बांटते हो, जाके यूज करो मेरा बैंक का लॉकर. वी कीप इट वेरी वेरी सेफ कि किसी को पता नहीं हो घर में, right? Same way, are we taking care of our assets? And what is your asset? Your asset is not your house where you are staying right now and attending the session. Your asset is not your bank balance. Your asset is not your profession. Your asset is not your family also. What is your asset? Your asset is your thoughts and your energies. What energy are you building up with these thoughts? Every day universe is giving a ले बेटा 50-60 हजार में तेरे हाथ में दे रही हूं, और रोज 60 हजार का बंडल आपके हाथ में कैश आ रहा है, और हम है कि ये 60 हजार को गटर में डाल रहे हैं, बहा रहे हैं पानी में. So my only and only job is to, ये जो रोज का 60 हजार मिल रहा है, मैं कैसे इसका इस्तेमाल करूं? That is my only job. And the moment you master this, the whole game changes. No matter बाहर आपके घर के बाहर war हो रही हो, you will be safe. So thank you, Disha, for sharing the evidence that during the COVID time, her business was also growing. So basically here we are concerned with our own energies, nothing else, because we all know that electromagnetic field, our aura, electric, where our mind is creating our energies, heart, where our heart is creating energies for expansion. So this is electromagnetic field, which is aura. And every day with our thoughts and with our emotions, we are creating, either expanding our aura, or we are making holes in our aura and it is leaking our energies. So it is leaking our energies, right? So now we have to stop. आपके घर में एक नल भी लीक हो रहा हो तो आप सबसे पहले प्लम्बर को बुलाते हो कि नहीं, कि उसको देखते रहते हो कि देख भाई तू बहता रहे बहता रहे बहता रहे बहता रहे. Immediately we call plumber and we get it done. Same way, we don't have to leak our energies. We have to protect our energies. And to protect our energies, we have to work on ourselves. And here there are many members here who are into everyday morning magic practices, like how you all are gathered 7 to 8 a.m. Every day we do morning air magic practices. And what do we do actually? हमारा आधा से ज्यादा घंटा किस में जाता है पता है? कचरा निकालने में, कचरा साफ करने में। 30 से 40 मिनट हम रोज कचरा साफ कर रहे हैं। उसके बाद बाकी के 20 मिनट्स में हम एनर्जी बिल्ड कर रहे हैं, पंप अप कर रहे हैं। And there are many people who are there here. How is your experience? Show me some sign, some this emoji. People who are already into morning magic. See, smiling and laughing. See, look at her. She said that मैं भूल गई थी मेरी लाइफ कैसी है और कि मैं एंजॉय करती थी 1 महीने के अंदर। She said I've begun enjoying my life. मैंने कल उसका फीडबैक रखा था स्टेटस पे। Charmin is going through chronic illness and उसके हॉस्पिटल के बेड से भी उसने सेशंस अटेंड किए। She said, I don't want to miss this session one single day also. Because this is where the energy we are receiving. It's a pump house, powerhouse. So let's move that. I will invite all of you. If you feel connected, if you feel motivated, inspired, please do join Morning Magic and commit yourself for 90 days for morning 1 hour spending on yourself. It's worth, because we do deep cleaning and it's really worth, intense work we do in that. So here we are going to also do right now अपना cleaning भी हमारा होने वाला है आज, and we will be using tapping technique for this. Now what is tapping technique? We have another 8:38 हो चुका है. So we will be doing a few tapping techniques, and after tapping techniques we will be going for meditation and visualization. Yeah. So what are we going to do? Are we all ready? First of all, tell me how many of you are ready to clean your fears and beliefs and self-doubts and anxieties and tension and pura bakwas. So pura bakwas ko hatane ke liye, let's do something. So we are going to do tapping. In tapping, what we do is, just now be very careful and mindful what we are going to do. We have certain energy points. जैसे हमारे अंदर खून बहता है और ब्लड वेसल्स रहती हैं जो पूरे शरीर को शक्ति देती है, उसी तरह से हमारे शरीर के अंदर मेरिडियंस है। एंड मेरिडियंस क्या करती हैं? वो हमें शक्ति, एनर्जी पास करती है, नॉट खून, एनर्जी। और जिसकी वजह से हमारा ऑरा एक्सपांड होता है, लीक होता है या एक्सपांड होता है। सो हम ये जो है, ये सारे पॉइंट्स जो है उसको हम टैप करने वाले हैं, ताकि वो पॉइंट को टैप करके हम हमारी मेरिडियन चैनल्स को ओपन करें, वहां पे एनर्जीज हम पास करें, राइट? सो आई विल बी जस्ट शेयरिंग यू फर्स्ट व्हिच आर द पॉइंट्स एंड देन यू understand. So first point is here above my eyebrow where I tap. Okay. The second point is here just on the sides. The third point is here where we will be doing this. Okay. Tapping with both the hands. The fourth point is here just below my nose. The fifth point is here on the chin. The sixth point is collarbone here. Seventh point is here underarms. So this is 1 and this is 2. Number 8 is here. And we do this. And then under the lungs, जो यहाँ पे rib cage है, जहाँ इसके नीचे खत्म होता है, जो point बनता है वहां पर. So that is number 8. And then here and then at the crown chakra. Okay. So first let's practice this and practice with me first, and then once we do it, whatever I say, you have to repeat it. Okay. Yeah. So I will just say that I will always begin with yes, I am aware. So when I will say yes, I'm aware, you have to shift the point. I will not just say shift the point. I'll say yes, I'm aware. So first point is this, above the eyebrow. Second point is this, sides mein. Third point is below the eye. If you are wearing glass specs, please remove it and then do it, right? Then under the nose, then chin, then shoulder, collarbone, then underarms, then another underarm, then below the rib cage, and then here. If you are finding it difficult, if you think that, because you will be doing it with eyes closed, you are not going to keep your eyes open. And if you are finding it difficult, you can do also this also. This is also karate chop point, which is very easy, where you don't have to worry about it. And you just have to keep doing this. Karate, this whole thing is karate chop point. So we keep tapping this way. But right now, I'm going to make you do this. Yeah, for today is a special day. So we are going to do special things. So are you all ready? And you are going to repeat after me. Okay? And yes, I am aware. When I say yes, I am aware, then number one. Yes, I am aware, then you shift here. Yes, I am aware, then you shift here. Yes, I am aware, you shift here. Yes, I am aware, you shift here. Okay? And at the end, but पे यहाँ पे crown चक्र आ जाएगा. But. Okay? Are you all understood? Any question? I think it's easy, right? We all can get it. Okay. So are you all ready? First of all, show me all your thumbs up, right? And please, all of you who are behind the camera, please open your video so that I can understand that you are doing it right way or wrong way. At least right now, up till now, आपने video भले बंद रखा हो. अभी I will request you that please switch on your video. It will be great. Okay, you are in train. Still, you can keep it open. आपने आजू-बाजू वाले भी सुनेंगे. Tapping. Okay, thank you, Daksha Patel. Thank you. Thank you, Suman. Yes. Okay, wow. Great. Okay, so let's begin. Okay, so first let's set an intention, and setting intention is very important. Set an intention, and then we begin with our journey. Yeah. And now onwards, you are going to keep your eyes open. You will not keep it on till another maybe 20 minutes, 25 minutes. Okay, let's set an intention. Keeping your eyes closed and taking a deep breath. Breathing in and breathing out. Dive deep and go within. Thank you, my divine, for gifting all of us this outstanding, magnificent opportunity to know ourselves better and to release whatever is not working for us in our favor. जो हमारे भले के लिए नहीं हो रहा है, हमारे भीतर जो चल रहा है, हमारा अपना युद्ध चल रहा है. War is not outside, war is inside me. मेरा अपना युद्ध. और वही युद्ध जो मेरे भीतर चल रहा है, उसमें मैं कैसे शांति ला सकूं? मेरे भीतर जो युद्ध चल रहा है, कैसे सुकून, समाधान अनुभव कर सकूं, कैसे स्वीकार कर सकूं अपने आप को निस्वार्थ प्रेम से. मेरे भीतर जो युद्ध चल रहा है, कैसे मैं अपने आप को अपनाऊं बिना शर्तों से. कैसे मैं अपने आप को अपनाऊं और अपने आप को गले लगाऊं और इस जिंदगी को गले लगाऊं. जगाने के लिए बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया. सोई पड़ी थी मेरे अंदर यह जुनून जगाने के लिए बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया। मेरे अंदर का कचरा, मेरे अंदर की साफ सफाई के लिए बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया। Thank you, my divine, for gifting us this courage, gifting us this awareness. And yes, now I am ready to release all the garbage which is not helping me to grow. I am not ready. I am ready. Now I am ready. I am ready. अपने आप को अपनाने के लिए, अपनी जिंदगी को गले लगाने के लिए मैं तैयार हूं, और उसके लिए मुझे जो भी करना पड़े उसके लिए मैं तैयार हूं। अपने भीतर का कचरा साफ करने के लिए मैं तैयार हूं। I see myself living a life full of fulfillment. Living a life with thriving relationships. Living a luxurious life deeply rooted in spirituality. आध्यात्मिकता के मार्ग पे मैं आगे ही आगे बढ़ती जा रही हूँ। Thank you, my divine. Thank you for gifting all of us this amazing, outstanding opportunity. Thank you for gifting magnificent outcome of our meditation and of all practices. Thank you so much. And now let us recollect all the doubts and fears, anxiety and tension and stress what you have stored inside your energy field. कौन कौन से डर लग रहे हैं, किस पे गुस्सा आ रहा है, अपने आप पे गुस्सा आ रहा है, क्या हो रहा है, अपने आप पे शंका हो रही है, पावर फील नहीं हो रहा है कि मेरे अंदर वो शक्ति है, मैं इस शक्ति को पहचान सकूं। क्या हो रहा है? Take a deep breath and breathe out from your mouth. Just be with your body. Experience all the emotions in the body. अब तक मैंने मेरी बॉडी को नम करके रखा हुआ था, बेहोश करके रखा हुआ था, ये सारी इमोशंस को बेहोश बना दिया था। आज ये सारी इमोशंस को मैं अपने शरीर में अनुभव कर रही हूँ एज सेंसेशंस एंड वाइब्रेशंस। Just face these emotions. जो भी शंका है, जो भी डर आए, गुस्सा हो, नफरत हो, सबको फेस करेंगे आज। No judgments, no rejection, no war. अब तक बहुत लड़ाई कर ली, अभी कोई लड़ाई नहीं। Perfectly okay to have fears. It's perfectly okay to have doubts. It's perfectly okay to have self-hatred. अपने आप से नफरत कर रहे हो, कोई बात नहीं. And now let's begin with the tapping. Tapping first will begin with the forehead. Repeat after me loudly. You have to hear your own voice. Yes, I am aware that मेरे अंदर इतना गुस्सा भरा पड़ा है. Yes, I am aware कि मेरा शंका करने का मेरा एक स्वभाव बन चुका है. Yes, I am aware that I hate myself. Yes, I am aware that I feel like a loser. Yes, I am aware that I feel like a failure. Yes, I am aware that मुझे जिंदगी से एक आशा ही छूट गई है, निराश बन चुकी हूँ मैं. Yes, I am aware कि मुझे लगता है ये सब करके क्या फायदा होगा. Yes, I am aware that I keep doubting myself. Yes, I am aware कि मुझे अपने आप से ही नफरत हो चुकी है. But come on the count chakra, come. But still, I choose to accept myself just the way I am. मैं जैसी हूँ वैसे मैं अपने आप को प्रेम से स्वीकारती हूँ. मैं जैसी हूँ वैसे मैं अपने आप को प्रेम से स्वीकारती हूँ. Okay, again forehead. Yes, I am aware that I don't have that courage. मेरे में हिम्मत ही नहीं है. Yes, I am aware कि मुझे अपने आप पे गुस्सा आ रहा है, मेरे में हिम्मत क्यों नहीं है. Yes, I am aware कि मेरे अंदर वो निष्ठा ही नहीं है. Yes, I am aware कि मैं अपने आप पे विश्वास ही नहीं कर पा रही हूँ. Yes, I am aware that I keep doubting myself. Yes, I am aware. Yes, I am aware that मैं अपने आप से ही नफरत कर रही हूँ. Yes, I am aware कि I am not at all focused for my goals. And yes, I am aware that I feel so lazy many a times. Yes, I am aware कि मुझे जिंदगी में अभी आगे बढ़ने की तमन्ना ही ना रही. But in spite of that, I choose to love myself just the way I am. But in spite of that, मैं जैसी भी हूँ अपने आप को प्रेम से स्वीकारती हूँ. मैं जैसी भी हूँ अपने आप को प्रेम से अपनाता हूँ. मैं जैसी भी हूँ उसके बावजूद मैं अपनी जिंदगी से प्रेम करती हूँ. मैं अपनी जिंदगी को वैल्यू करती हूँ. Again, come on the forehead. Yes, I'm aware that there is a lot of hopelessness inside me. Yes, I'm aware कि मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि इस दलदल में से मैं बाहर निकल पाऊंगी या नहीं. Yes, I'm aware that I'm doubting this process also. Yes, I'm aware that मुझे हमेशा सब पे शंका होती है. Yes, I'm aware कि मैं अपने ही फियर्स से पीछे हट करती हूँ. मैं, yes, I'm aware. My fears are only holding me back. Yes, I'm aware. कि मैं चाहती हुए भी ये फियर्स को बाहर नहीं निकाल पाती हूँ. Yes, I'm aware that I really want to get rid of these fears. Yes, I'm aware that I want to live a beautiful, amazing life. But I still choose to believe in myself. मैं अपने आप पे विश्वास करना चाहती हूँ. मैं यह प्रोसेस पे विश्वास रखना चाहती हूँ. I am in the process of trusting myself. I am in the process of believing myself. I am in the process of believing myself. I am in the process of trusting myself. I am in the process of trusting this universe, believing this universe. I am in the process. Yes, I'm aware कि growth can be slow. Yes, I'm aware that I can lose my patience. Yes, I'm aware that I need to be patient. Yes, I'm aware that I need to build my trust muscles. Yes, I'm aware. With my trust, I will build courage. Yes, I'm aware that I'm willing to trust myself. Yes, I'm aware that I choose to trust myself. Yes, I'm aware that I choose to believe in myself. Yes, I'm aware that I choose to believe in this universe, in my God, in my divine, in my deity, my universe, my divine, my deity, my guru, whoever that person is. But again, I am in the process of trusting myself. Now I'm willing to trust myself. Now I'm willing to trust myself. Now I'm in the process of believing in myself. And yes, I can trust myself. And yes, I can do that. Yes, I can do that. I choose trust. I choose trust. I choose surrender. I choose surrender. I choose surrender. And relax. Let's have 1 minute silence and just observe your body sensations. And let's have one more round of tapping. Yes, I am aware.
Yes, I'm aware.
I am confident.
I'm-
Yes, I am aware.
Yes, I'm
I am building my courage muscles.
picking up the sense.
Yes, I am aware. I am courageous. Yes, I am aware.
Yes, I'm
I am magnificent. Yes, I am aware. I am bold. Yes, I am aware that I believe in myself. Yes, I'm aware that I trust in myself. Yes, I'm aware that I trust in my potentials, in my skills.
that I trust in my potentials and skills.
Yes, I'm aware
Yes, I
that I trust in this universe.
trust in skills.
And crown chakra,
And
now I choose to
now I choose to
believe in this power of universe. Now I choose to
now I choose to
believe
be
in my own powers.
in my
I am powerful. I am powerful. I am unstoppable.
unstoppable.
I am unstoppable.
I'm unstoppable.
I am powerful.
I'm powerful.
I am powerful. I am powerful. And relax. And just again observe your energies inside the body. I am powerful. I am powerful. I am powerful. I am unstoppable. I am unstoppable. I am unstoppable. I am powerful. Take a deep breath in. Hold the breath. Lock your anus. जो आपका गुदा द्वार है उसे लॉक कर दीजिए. Hold the breath inside. Focus on your third eye chakra, on your forehead, and repeat, I am powerful. Take another deep breath. Hold the breath. Lock your anus. आपकी जीभ को आपको तालू के साथ लगा दीजिए. Touch your tongue to your palate. Focus on your forehead, third eye chakra. I am powerful. I am magnificent. The power which is within me is creating miracles in my life. Take one more deep breath. Hold the breath inside. Lock your anus, tongue not touching the palate. Focus on the forehead. The power which is within me is creating miracles in my life. I am powerful. I am connected to these powers. I am powerful. Keep breathing. Hold your breath. Repeat in your mind. Lock your anus. Let the energy move upwards towards your higher chakras. I am powerful. I am unstoppable. The power which is within me is creating miracles in my life. And relax and come to the normal breath. Be with your breath and let's have one visualization meditation. Imagine yourself. You are entering in a big palace. You are walking in the corridor of this palace. Just be there and you are walking and just see that how high the ceiling is. See around. How are the walls? वॉल्स पे क्या लगे हुए पेंटिंग से क्या है जमीन पे क्या है कैसी है जमीन कारपेट है क्या है जमीन पे क्या है and you are walking ahead moving ahead as you move ahead there is a big gate come in front of you a huge gate maybe 15-20 feet high a huge gate which is very well decorated very well decorated and as you knock the door the doors are open and you step into that another big space. Visualize yourself, imagine yourself, you are there in that space, and that space is full of light. That space is full of beautiful colors, flowers, beautiful sky, colorful. And wherever you see, there is nothing but gold, diamonds. It's all filled with ornaments. Whatever you touch there, turn into gold. There's magical power in this space. Now you have got your powers back. You have got your powers back. And in this space, you are dancing. You are joyful. You are touching your body all over. And your body is healing. You are receiving great health. You are receiving love of your life. You're falling in love with yourself. You're feeling so confident. You're feeling so powerful. You're feeling so magnificent. And everywhere, whatever you see, it turns into gold. Whatever you touch, it turns into gold. And you are receiving this miraculous energies from everywhere. The bright sun is in the sky, pouring its sunlight on you, and its golden light which you are receiving. And you are feeling completely silence inside. There is love, there is power. And you feel that power. You are absorbing the power. Each and every cell of your body is absorbing this power. And you are feeling so blessed. जैसे जिंदगी सफल हो गई. You are full, you are complete, you are whole here. You are perfect just the way you are. You are absorbing the energies. Powerful energies. A shower of grace. A shower of golden light. You go into deep samadhi. And the light you are receiving here, cleaning you. The light you are receiving here is cleaning your baggages. The light you are receiving here is healing your body. The light you are receiving here is blessing you with all your desires, goals, and visions coming true. This is your power. This is your space. Receive it abundantly. Be with your breath, and with each breath you are inhaling that energy. Let this energy go each and every cell of your body. And visualize yourself with your goals now. Whatever goal you have written, that you are already there. It's already done. It's already done. It's already done. And see yourself living that life. You deserve it. You are meant for this. This is your birthright. And you are receiving it. This is your birthright. You deserve it. You are worthy of it. You are receiving it. You are receiving it. And wow, you are dancing in joy. You are dancing in joy. You are dancing in joy. You are feeling so fulfilled that you are dancing in joy. You are happy. You are cheerful. You are joyful. And you are dancing in joy. Maybe there are tears coming up. The kind of happiness, the kind of fulfillment you're experiencing. You're dancing with joy. And with whom would you like to share this happiness? Your loved ones. Maybe your husband, your wife, your children. You're dancing with them, your loved ones. See yourself. You have already achieved everything. And you are there. You are dancing in ecstasy, thanking this universe, thanking your guru, thanking your deity, thanking the divine, thanking the power which is within me. The power which is within me is creating miracles. And this is now your new reality. This is now your new reality. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. And I love you. Thank you. When you are dancing in love, you are dancing in joy. You are dancing in love and you are dancing in joy. Thank you. Thank you so much. And I love you. And I love you. And I love you. I love you. Slowly and steadily, Let me just take, before you leave the class, let me just take the photo also, and slowly and steadily come back to this space. Everybody, I can see everyone smiling, and that's so wonderful. Let me just take a photo of all of you. Just if you people who are, please switch on your video so that I can see your beautiful faces. Maya, Sharda, Ravindra, Nikita, all of you. And let me just give me a beautiful smile, and let me just take a photo. Thank you so much. Thank you. Let me just show one more photo. Risha has just opened. Okay, thank you. Thank you so much. Be with these energies. And people, please, there are many new people also here, because I'm not aware that, especially Daksha Patel and Nikita and all. If you can share me your number, phone number, and as well as your email ID, then I will be sending you the gift, as I have mentioned that I'm going to share a gift for today. So please, most of them I know, but there are few people, Ramesh and Raghavendra ji, I don't know you. So please, Suman has written her email ID. Thank you for that. But please share your phone number as well as email ID. And if you have liked it, if you have loved it, then do share some love for me also. That bless you, Shreya, bless you. For all your dreams also come true, your visions manifest. My only vision, why am I doing this? My only vision is that we all have tons of power which is inside us, but we have blocked this power. So let's experience the power which is inside us, and let's make this Mother Earth the most vibrant, beautiful place. And all the women here who can give birth to a new earth through your vibrations. You are the one who is a family maker. You are the pillars of the family. And please make sure that where you are investing your energy, and make your family very healthy, wealthy, and abundant, prosperous. So all the love to all of you. And please share. Who do you think that whoever wants to join in Morning Magic, do message me. I will give you information about it. At the same time, please share that, where we can have repeat this session, and we can repeat on the session. If you feel that you want your loved ones to listen to it, go through it, your friends, your relatives, then you can write a personal message to me, and we can also repeat this session again. Okay. So thank you very much, and I love you.
Thank
Thank
you
you,
so much.
Shreya. Thank you so much. Lovely session.
Thank you.
Raghavendra is my husband.
Who is
Raghavendra.
it?
Yeah.
Okay. And Swarna, you are from? Both of you are
Pune.
from?
I'm from Pune.
Okay. Great to see both of you, husband and wife, joining. How does it get better than this? My husband is also sitting next to me. So he is also meditating. So how does it get better than this? Chalo,
Thank you so much. Great experience. Yeah, first time. Thank you so much.
Good. And see, if possible, join in for Morning Magic. The investment is very small, but compared to that, what you are receiving is much bigger. Just you have to set an intention that I am going to invest my morning 7 to 8 or 8:15 in this class, nothing else. Then you do whatever you want to do. But then experience the miracles, I'll tell you. Thank you so much, and I love you.
Thank you.
Yeah.